Your Acura features the Integrated Dynamic System, or IDS. It lets you modify the dynamic driving character of the vehicle depending on the selected mode. IDS modes are controlled by a button located near the shift lever. The system features 3 preset modes: Comfort, Normal, and Sport. If equipped, you can also select an individual mode that lets you customize the settings to your personal preferences and is linked to your current keyless access remote. Comfort mode maximizes driver comfort through decreased steering effort. When properly equipped, it also reduces ride firmness. To select this mode, press the button until Comfort mode appears on the center screen. Normal and Sport modes are selected the same way. Once selected, the current mode will be shown in the lower right corner of the digital instrument cluster. The gauge color is set to blue in Comfort mode. Normal provides balanced response for everyday use, and it provides a cool white gauge color. Sport mode enhances vehicle response by adjusting steering, throttle response, and available ride and handling components. This mode also amplifies the exhaust note using active sound control and will automatically disable the idle-stop engine stop-start system without the need to touch the auto idle-stop off button. Sport mode features a racy red gauge color. To select the available individual mode, press the individual button until individual mode appears on the center touchscreen. To customize individual mode, push and hold the individual button to open the settings screen. Here you can modify performance settings to your liking, including engine and chassis characteristics. You can also choose the preferred idle-stop engine stop-start system setting for individual mode. At startup, the system will revert to either Comfort or Normal mode depending on the last mode selected. If the last mode was Sport, the system reverts to Normal. When the last selected mode was Individual, it will revert based on the mode that was previously used before Individual mode.